Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two columns in table in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we create a table. Go to the Insert menu and click Table option. Then create a table. Now we can see here we create a table. Now we merge two columns in this table. Select two column. Now I click and drag on our mouse to select two column. Then go to the layout menu. Now we can see here many option. Now we find and click the merge cells option. Here this merge cells option and we click it. Now we see we merge two columns in this table very easily. Now we try some another column. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.